Heart. The part inside your body that pumps blood and keeps you alive. My heart skipped a beat when I saw a spider the size of my fist. Love. A strong feeling of caring for someone or something deeply. I love my dog so much that I even let him steal my socks, just not the matching ones. Card. A small piece of paper with writing or a picture, often given to someone. I wrote, "You smell nice," on my card. It was for pizza. Red. The color of apples, fire trucks, and tomatoes. The red sock turned all the laundry pink, and now I'm banned from washing clothes forever. Pink. The color of cotton candy, bubble gum, and flamingos. I wore my pink pajamas to school by accident. Now I'm famous. Hug. When you wrap your arms around someone to show love, comfort, or happiness. When Mom hugged me, I felt so squished that I said, "Is this love or a bear attack?" Kiss. When someone touches another person or thing with their lips as a sign of love, care, or greeting. When my mom gave me a kiss in front of my friends, I lost 10 cool points instantly. Gift. Something you give to someone to make them happy. I gave my teacher a gift. She gave me homework. Chocolate. A sweet, tasty treat made from cocoa beans. I thought I could eat just one piece of chocolate. I was wrong, so very wrong. Rose. A beautiful flower that comes in many colors, like red, pink, and white. It has soft petals but also sharp little thorns on its stem. Lucy gave her cat a rose, but the cat didn't care, he just knocked it over and demanded treats. Friend. Someone you like and have fun with. My friend says they're always there for me, except during math homework. Teddy bear. A soft, cuddly toy bear that kids love to hug and sleep with. My teddy bear snores louder than me. Smile. The happy look on your face when you're feeling good or trying to make others feel happy. Tim's smile was so big after eating ice cream that even his dog wagged its tail. Flower. The colorful part of a plant that makes seeds and sometimes smells nice. The flower smelled so sweet that even the bees were lining up like it was a candy store. Couple. Two people or things that go together. A couple of cookies vanished. I suspect my mouth. February. The second month of the year and the only one that sometimes has 28 days and sometimes 29. February is so short, I blinked and almost missed it.